Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a group description on WhatsApp Web for PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to provide context and information about your group chats. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to get this done. First, open up WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats. Now, locate the group you want to add a description to. It could be a work group, a family chat, or even a club you're part of. Once you've found it, click on the name of the group at the top of the chat window. This will open up the group info panel on the right side of your screen. Look for the Add Group Description option. It should be right there, waiting for you to click on it. Go ahead and give it a click. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a text box where you can write whatever you want about your group. Maybe it's the purpose of the group, some ground rules, or just a warm welcome message for new members. Whatever you choose, make it clear and concise. Remember, this description will be the first thing new members see when they join. Once you're happy with what you've written, it's time to save it. Look for the check mark or confirm button. It might vary depending on your browser or WhatsApp version. Click on that, and voila, your group description is now live. It's that simple. In just a few clicks, you've added valuable information to your WhatsApp group. This feature is great for keeping everyone on the same page and helping new members understand what the group is all about. Remember, you can always edit or update the description later if needed. It's a flexible tool that can grow and change with your group. So go ahead, give it a try, and make your WhatsApp groups more informative and welcoming. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.